Hi cocktail lovers, this is Dan, and tonight Monday rules don't apply. So this is the Out Club, welcome. This is where my signature cocktail program all began. So tonight I've got my best-selling cocktail of all time, the lemon drop. Really simple, you're gonna love this. You're gonna start with 4 slices of lemon. That goes in there. You're gonna measure everything because a well-balanced cocktail, you want to get the proportions right, sweetness, acidity, and everything else. Okay, so muddling the lemons. So I put 1 ounce of triple sec in here, just to kind of absorb some of the lemon juice. And muddling is important. You don't want to use bottled lemon juice because when you muddle, you're also getting some of that flavor from the lemon rind, which does not contribute extra acidity. Extra lemon juice will add acid. The lemon rinds won't, it just gives you that extra flavor. Okay. So in addition to 1 ounce of triple sec, you got 1 ounce of simple syrup. Two ounces of Tito's vodka. I'm using Tito's, you can use your favorite. Shake it up on ice. You want to get some good motion there whenever you're shaking. Always use your top and shake it away from you. This way, if you have a leak, it doesn't spray all over your guest. And strain it into a martini glass. Notice the sugar rim on there. Sweetness to balance the acidity of the lemons. And of course, don't forget your garnish. And there you go. I hope you like my lemon drop martini as much as I do. I'm excited about this new project. Monday rules don't apply. I can't thank you enough for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and please tune in. We got a lot of fun drinks coming up. Like I said before, I'm going to be sharing all of my best recipes with you guys, showing you in detail how to make them, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So give me a comment, let me know where you're watching from, and where you're planning on drinking that lemon drop martini. Talk to you later.